Crack the division sentence. Hi, Greenie. Today, we're going to do something super fun. It's called Crack the Division Sentence.
Hi, Shiny Star. That sounds interesting. What do I have to do?
We'll get to that in just a second. First, let's warm up with a fun question. What's your favorite animal and your favorite fruit?
Well, I love cats, and oranges are my favorite fruit.
Oh, cats and oranges. Great choices. Now, let's imagine this. We have 11 oranges to share between two cats. Here's how we write it. 11 divided by 2 equals 5 or 1. That means each cat gets 5 oranges, and there's 1 orange left over. The R stands for remainder, which means what's left after sharing. Pretty cool, right?
Oh, I see. The first number is how many oranges we have, the second number is how many cats are sharing, the third number is how many oranges each cat gets, and the R is the leftover. If there's an orange left, we write the R and the number right after it.
That's it. You're catching on so fast, Greenie. Let's try another one. What about 9 divided by 4 equals 2 or 1? What do you think that means?
Well, 9 oranges are shared between 4 cats. Each cat gets 2 oranges. 1 orange is left over.
Bingo! You're on fire, Greenie. And that's how we play. I'll show you a number sentence, and your job is to crack the code by telling me what it means. Like this. Are you ready to play?
I'm super ready. Let's go!
All right. Here's the first one. 7 divided by 2 equals 3 remainder 1. What's the code?
Seven oranges are shared between 2 cats. Each cat gets 3 oranges. 1 orange is left over.
Yes! You cracked it! Next one. 13 divided by 4 equals 3 remainder 1. What's the code?
"13 oranges are shared between 4 cats. Each cat gets 3 oranges. 1 orange is left over."
Wow! You're amazing! Next one. 8 divided by 5 equals 1 remainder 3. What's the code?
"8 oranges are shared between 5 cats. Each cat gets 1 orange. 3 oranges are left over."
Awesome job! Let's keep going. How about 14 divided by 4 equals 3 remainder 2? What's the code?
14 oranges are shared between 4 cats. Each cat gets 3 oranges. 2 oranges are left over.
You're unstoppable. Next one. 15 divided by 2 equals 7 remainder 1. What's the code?
15 oranges are shared between 2 cats. Each cat gets 7 oranges. 1 orange is left over.
You're a pro. Last one. 20 divided by 3 equals 6 remainder 2. What's the code?
Oh, final round. That's 20 oranges are shared between 3 cats. Each cat gets 6 oranges, and 2 oranges are left over.
Yay! You did it! You cracked all the division sentences.
Woohoo! That was so fun. Can we play again soon?
Of course. Next time, I'll give you the code. And you'll be the one to write the number sentence. How does that sound?
Yeah! That sounds awesome. I can't wait. Hi everyone! How did you do with division today? I hope you had a fantastic time. More division fun is waiting for us. See you soon.